Hello everyone, this is the latest automatic espresso machine from DeLonghi called Rivelia. This is very well packaged. Here are all the package contents. This is what it looks like. It comes in 4 different colors. This is called the Onyx Black. The dimensions are 17 inches in depth, 15 inches in height, and 9 3/4 inch in width. It weighs about 21.5 pounds. And under the espresso machine, it has some rubber padding to prevent it from moving. This is the grinding coarseness regulator. In this area, you will find your pre-ground coffee scoop, and this is where you put in your coffee grounds, down in the funnel, and you will also find your hot water spout. The max usable cup height is 5.5 inch or 14 centimeters. Just a heads up for you guys, the surface is not scratch resistant, it's some soft plastic surface, that's why I put some tape here temporarily. The initial setup is super easy, just follow the screen and you do not need to read the manual.